Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down essentials. Pick 3-5 clear keywords that capture what you sell, who you serve, and the voice you want. Once done, set concrete constraints: name length, 1-3 words, preferred domain extensions like com, and trademark safety. Next, open the generator and enter your keywords and constraints. Make sure to toggle filters for industry and tone. This quick focus ensures the tool returns viable, targeted names instead of random, unusable suggestions. You now sift through results. Apply filters for length, pronounceability, and live domain status, so the list shrinks to practical choices. Once filtered, score your top 10 names on memorability, relevance, and brandability using a simple 1-10 scale. Make notes on why a name scored high or low. Then, do a quick international meaning and social handle check to avoid surprises. This evaluation step separates clever ideas from usable business names ready for testing. You finish by narrowing to 2 finalists, performing a basic trademark check, and reserving domains and social handles to lock them down. Then, test these names with 5-10 target users to gather preference, recall, and pronunciation feedback. Use results to choose the final name. If you hit a problem like taken domains or negative meanings, tweak your keyword set, use synonyms, blends, or invented suffixes, and rerun the generator. That quick pivot usually fixes common road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.